Hello, in this video I want to show you how to claim Saturnalia game on Epic Games Launcher for free. And to do this, we'll need to open the launcher itself, and you can get it from the Epic Games website. You can also check our previous video on how to download it. Now let's scroll down. Here you can see Saturnalia. Be sure that you're in the store, then click on it. Right here, get. Enter your parental control pin if you have one. Here you can accept to share the email with producers or like the designers, whatever. Then click on place order and I agree. And right here the game should be added to your account. Now just wait, go for the library, scroll down. You can also go for this pop-up if you want, but the game should be in your library right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.